So here's slightly more harder questions on expanding brackets. So you basically got 2x on the outside and you've got x to 3 on the inside, and multiplying all that together you get 2x by x gives you 2x squared. Don't forget 2 by 1 is 2 and x by x is x squared, and 2x by 3, 2 by 3 is 6, so 2x by 3 is 6x. Number 2 here, 3y by y. Don't forget 3 by 1 is 3 and y by y is y squared. 3y by 4, so 3 by 4 is 12, 3y by 4 is 12y. 5p by p plus 2, so again 5p by p gives you 5p squared, 5p by 2 gives you 10p. 3r by r gives you 3r squared, 3r by minus 2, unlike signs give minus, 3 by 2 is 6, and it's 3r by 2 gives you 6r. So putting it all together you get 3r squared minus 6r. Over here in these ones, we've got 3a by 2a squared. Be very careful here. 3 by 2 sign, first of all, plus by plus is plus. Number 3 by 2 is 6. And letter a by a squared. So if you remember, this is the power 1 here. We add the powers together, giving you a cubed. And 3a by 1, when you multiply anything by 1, you get back what you're multiplying by. So 3a. 2p by 2p squared. Again, sign, power, a number by plus by plus is plus. Number 2 by 2 is 4. And p by p squared gives you p cubed. And 2p by 2, so 2 2s are 4, so 2p by 2 gives you 4p. b squared by b gives you b cubed. b squared by minus 3, be careful, sign, unlike signs give minus. Number 1 by 3 gives you 3, and it's 3 by b squared, so that's going to be 3b squared. The last one here is minus 5 y squared by y minus 4. Remember now you've got to multiply this here by both of these pieces inside, by the y and by the minus 4. So the first part we have is minus 5y squared multiplied by y. Unlike signs give us minus, 5 by 1 gives us 5, and y squared by y gives us y cubed. If you break it down to sign, number, letter, you'll have no problems. Unlike signs, here, like signs, minus by minus gives plus. Like signs give plus. Number 5 by 4 is 20, and it's 5y squared by 4, so that's 20y squared. And that's the answer to that. See you in the next video for more challenging ones.